Hello, I'm Casey Russell, Cole County Ag Educator and 4-H Youth Development Educator for Cole County. And today we're at Clarita, Oklahoma at the Clarita Greenhouse with Eli Schrock. Eli, how are you today?
Doing good, how are you?
Good. Eli, tell us a little bit about your business and then about your mums.
Okay. My business is, we got primarily a retail greenhouse, garden center operation. In the spring we do a lot of bedding plants and stuff and so forth. But in the fall it's primarily mums and pumpkins, pansies, stuff that you can plant in the fall. Fall vegetables, cabbage, stuff like that. And the mums are doing good this year. We'd like to have another rain on them, but we're not getting it. But I'm watering them every day. They're doing good as a whole.
Okay, how long does it take you to start these?
I get them May the 20th.
Okay.
May the 20th is the day I got them this year. So this is almost the 1st of August.
So small seedlings.
Yeah, they were like that tall.
Okay. When will they be ready for retail?
Probably, hopefully mid-September.
Okay, all right. Tell us a little bit about your irrigation system.
Oh, it's pretty simple and straightforward. It's just these black hoses and these little feeder lines, and it's got this weighted dripper in it, and whenever I turn the water on, it just each pot gets its own little dripper and just waters it. It takes about 45 minutes.
Okay, so you water them every day?
Every day, sometimes in hot weather twice a day.
Twice a day, okay. All right. What variety are you growing?
These are, they're Yoder mums is what they call them.
Okay.
Used to be Yoder brothers would own them when I first started buying them, but I'm not even sure who they're owned by now, but it's not Yoder brothers anymore.
Right. How many colors are you growing?
That's a hard question.
Hard question?
At least a dozen.
A dozen different colors?
Shades, you know, I got like 3 shades of orange and 4 shades of yellow, but orange, yellow, purple, and pink, and white, that's would basically cover it.
Okay. Tell us a little bit about your spring operation and your bedding plants.
Spring, we start out early February, 1st of February, and we sell fruit trees. February is a great time to plant fruit trees. And potato plants and seeds. We got all kinds of seeds for the garden. And then we just keep on going. Cabbage plants is the next, and squash and tomatoes, and of course ornamentals. We got all kinds of ornamental trees and plants, annuals and perennials. And we just try to have about everything that you would possibly need for your garden or your flower bed.
And the majority of those are started here at your greenhouse?
Yes. We do buy all our woody trees and shrubs we do buy, but most of the stuff that you would plant in the garden, all the stuff that you'd plant in the garden and in the flower beds is started here.
Okay. Well, Eli, we appreciate you being here today. We're in Clarita, Oklahoma at the Clarita Greenhouse. We're approximately 35 miles southeast of Ada, and we encourage you to come and see them. Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.